If you GH1 ebano, man coffee and point cause I'm crampo. And my bishop and babesa video because of some 1 or 2 comments be back from some people about how a busa chain bona me can say I bought this chain at $1 million. Real gold chain 24 karat about $1 million. What is your problem? Oh, sika also kokoto be. Why are you always tagging me with Osebo? Osebo na jagura janina and one that catch some fashionists. Do you know a fashionista? Omumi na they are comedians, they are jokes. Cartoon Network no more yeno. That's why I just skate. I am the first ever stylish. I'm started since from 2003. I've started Obiada, my dress Obiada. Starting from VIP money, Castro money ade, ebesi Shatawale money, sa kwade money ade. Just that some of them have been ungrateful. What's the boy man tell Obi are dressing gay? That's how we are gay. If you're not a gay, you can't be dressing like a gay. Ever since I was born here, the graduate started on beef no. Monko previous videos, the pictures about on internet. Monko check it. Everybody was just tagging Don Elijah. Say if Osebo no say he has fashion, Uncle go back to Don Elijah. No, Ajagraja. Ajagraja say so Obiade. Only is no. Oh yeah, pastor. Oh yeah, Illuminati brotherhood man. I wanna. Oh they ritualist. Aframe na attend the best ritualist. And I person unya attention. And I know Osebo. Moya mo fashion swag, comedy, that kind of joke, kind of attention. Moya mo be bad. I know just swag and fashion beef. Na moya no.
Usiana agude bi ekoso ewo internet afidi so ani enim se eye sunsumu ntokwa na nanka ekoso na se ko wi akyi ne hu se o se nye sunsumu ntokwa na emum eye agro eni wonwado ne nyina ene ajagraja ene Osebo the Zaraman entem na ajagraja de enim se ono no oye sunsumu nipa a wodi ne sofo choba sofo ni ene na ajagraja ni oba Osebo nso de enim se Osebo nso ni de a ene na fashion ni se fashion ni so de na ene Kojosafo ni fi se Osebo no ono nso esom ewo apostle Kojosafo na asori na ekoba asesa asofo emienu anase hunhum nipa emienu no e de entade hye e kire wo mobobre ewo internet ne so senka ko Osebo nkwa de na ko de enim se ni die mu ofisi ono no ebo entade de a na dwoso ene butu ntike ba entade hye mu de a na ko Osebo de enim wo ho na ajagwaja na obeka ho no ene mai koye nwa ofisi ajagwaja de na ono so enim se ono no ne de no eni sunsumu nyuma se wo ye sunsumu ade e de amanyame ma na ebusuan sene na ensemi ekọ na eba no na enim se eya agro ne se na enya agro abrante bi nso ayefre ne se the Birdman ati e de asintoko no ma wo kire se Osebo ene ajagwaja no wo nyina omo bada ben e wo fashionist ni mu na omo ba beji e de aboso ma yehu se wo mu e no mo se omo wo nimde e wo fashion nim wono osi mu ache se eba Ghana ha celebrities a enye celebrities nketwa na wahye wo montade obi zesa akode wahye ne ntade Chatawale Stone Boy ene wo mu akeka ho no mo magidin bebre wahye wo mu nyina entade a obutu abeka ho no na ne boutique ni ewo na abrante grantee interview ewo GH1 na fade na wode koe no na ne kwasem se ekon kan ho ne komu enkapo ni chance a egu ne komu a eno ne ekwa kobisa ne se na uche yi de ehwa emu odu ne bo baye din oto ne sen onkoma na no so also oto no $1 million and yes oh
my guess. What's your name?
Don't Elijah Birdman.
Sorry?
Don't Elijah Birdman.
Like Birdman. Ah, right. Okay. I see. You're welcome. So what genre of music do you do?
I do controversy music.
Controversy music.
Conscience controversy.
Tell us about your necklace. Your necklace.
My necklace is about $1 million.
Is it gold?
Real gold, 24 karat.
It's about what? How much?
$1 million. $1 million.
But are you not too hot for your jacket?
Come on, man. This is why. I'm finna the air conditioning here.
Krachi aden sa wote Ghana ha akwawe so ha se na ye kire se o mamu aden na wotime nya sa sika we e de ato chain e de agu kuma eno na brand ne bu afu yi pa wo kire na sa kire se ono no osemu no enye ne maye nkoni nkotie se na brand no esi e kire ne nsemu no mu esi afa ha ayetu magie subscribe ma page we na mi adoma na sa no upload bi aba on sa betimi aka fe so Prophet Dr. Bednego number e na egu ase ho no betimi contact no for all your spiritual problems e bu so maye nkoni nkotie ne mra.
Hello Ghana for Don Elijah Ghana Birdman me. In fact, me bofu pa, me bofu. If you GH1 eba no, man coffee mpo anko sesa me ho krampo. And my bishop and babesa video we. Because of some 1 or 2 comments be back from some people about how a busa me chain bona me can say I bought this chain at $1 million. Real gold chain 24 karat about $1 million. What is your problem? Oh, sika also kokoto be. Why are you always tagging me with Osebo? Osebo na jagura janina and one that catch some fashionistas. Do you know a fashionista? Omumienu na they are comedians. They are jokes. Cartoon Network no mo ye no. Eso mo ko just skit if you don't know her. Now who boutique doesn't make you a fashionista. And I want tadi eche obi o wiase a. And I saw no want tadi anu chese o fashionista. And now na to boarding eche obi and I say the latest bi about na auto. And no doesn't qualify you, doesn't make you a fashionista. Send you can say the richest people in Ghana here no. Because I'm not the most fashionable people. So I come be there ko check da mu ina ne ade ade no over was ne ade ade mo do mo tag me no. Master omo no omo nka ho omo ye nkwala. You have been blessed with money. Fine. Obi so on the field. Me fashion no. It is in my DNA. I'm gifted with fashion. I swear to God in my life, nobody in Ghana and even Africa can stand before me when it comes to swag. I am a field, no. I am gifted with it. I'm endowed with it. Say they always see Roman messing near the Benny okay, ban the football they are the best, no. It doesn't matter how far our tenting and I will make a bit because say you same boot. On only the any boy, Ronaldinho straight. And to me, my mom comment say, you busame, and I'm see the chair bought it $1 million and it's real receipt to her. Well, I want to say, I will be the you know, never test it. Come and test it and see it. I mean, I'm somebody who loves fashion, who loves swag, and I don't care about the money I spend on fashion. My mind is to come and spend your home. I come and last upon me the better. Do you get it? And Ghana here, no, those who are more winning me from day one from the street, you know, there's no any single artist be a main styling that I'm a man in Daed that say on Fanko photo shoot and I say on Fanko video shoot. But most of them have been ungrateful and you are more no. Fine. And you know, my releasing in my jeans and remix. And I was called for interview. Now I'm calling the busa and say they change. And I'm saying $1 million. Some people say they don't get it, they don't understand. I say they are shocked, they are surprised. Me na me dem home. And I'm saying my day say, whatever you want to do, go and bend the sea. And it's real. Me, I don't fake on TV. I'm not like those who come to TV to come and fake. Osebo is not a fashionista. I'm not a joke. See, I'm not a trend. They want to trend. They want attention. And to have for fake hype. They pay for fake hype. Several times. Anna, you invited me to call NIT FM. The video is on TV. The video is on YouTube. And watch I'm a flex and invite you for interview. And I was answer, will you battle on Elijah? I'll straight and no, I won't battle on Elijah. On no winning. Oh yes, lawyer, don't you know? So I am telling you today, whether you like it or not, take it or leave it. So when it comes to swagger, me, I'm not going to be selective. Say, yeah, wait, Miss Roya, and I'm afraid of. And I don't have a boss. I don't have somebody who train me. Now, for boys, I'm not trained no more swag. And I have to do boutique business in Ghana here. You can't even count them. And all of them, they are doing well right now. But because of a we are the pace setters. So when it comes to swaggo, starting from circle, from the gutters, from the ballers, before you came to the street, before you come before I became here. My shop is located at Abeka Adom Junction. What I also want to ask you, and why you want to know more facts, you can test me that you come and see facts and proofs. Ask the whole world. I am the most fashionable artist in Ghana here. I am the dopest artist in Ghana here. I am the most awards-winning fashion stylist and a costumier in Ghana here. I am the first ever stylist. I'm a stylist since from 2003. I've started Obiada, my dress will Obiada. Starting from VIP, money, Castro, money at the day, every Shatawale money, Sakode money at the just that some of them have been ungrateful. And I am more sama. What I say. So, some come out and some can't me minima. You see, say, upon any future, because of them, you need a chin. I know what I'm saying because I know myself and I believe in myself and I know what I can do. And to also want to say, okay, on the day, what's the boy matter? Obi are dressing gay. That's how we are gay. If you're not a gay, you can't be dressing like a gay. Huh? So, why you put tagging me, say, and Osebo, why he says your chain is $1 million. And it is the real truth. I have receipts and everything that shows that the chain is a real gold that worth $1 million. Maka, and that's ends it. And about swag, so I'm telling you, that Ghana here in East Africa, David Domini Banner boy, I'm not afraid of anybody. Here, Ben, I'm starting swag with a boy down squad from Circle. And a year, Ben, David bar out. Here, Ben, I'm starting swag. We need David Ohan. So it's not about even the age. It's not young for age and changing. But I want to know, say, they say experience is the best teacher. I started it with, before all those guys. And to me, I'm Kwala. The first thing I could put, wow, maybe you are a hit. You become a big star. You have money. Who took outside? I could big shock or to turn them board. And it doesn't mean say when I name dress it, and I saw a bit much. There's no pain back on. So read him. When it comes to swagger, nobody to fuck up. Huh? Ever since I was Sebonia, the graduate started on beef. No, Monko previous videos, the pictures about on internet. Monko check it. Everybody was just tagging Don Elijah. Say if was Sebonia say he has fashion. Uncle battle Don Elijah. No, Naja graduate. Ajagora dey say ni so obi ade oni ansa wono wo ye pastor o ye Illuminati brotherhood man awono wo de ritualist afremu na attend na best spiritualist and I person onya attention and I know Osebo mo ye mo fashion swag comedy that kind of joke kind of attention mo ye mo big bat I know nya swag and fashion beef na mo ye no mo pay attention to sell the product you are doing Osebo o dance na wo ye no wo ye gay and our friends wo say matter the negative so that people will talk about you they get attention for your shop period maybe my out my card be say that this is my first time ever since social media be social media me ma at me card be but people of panty me yes me address this issue you know because me ever since social media buy from Facebook Instagram everybody buy be do TikTok in there man for this kind of TikTok near there I don't want your videos yeah no man if you say that create something just to get attention me I'm not like that I'm different me Facebook I hacking I have my creating new one Facebook Instagram TikTok now I have my creating new one don't like that Birdman so me no I'm not an attention seeker and I don't need those they are fake hype promoter. They pay bloggers to pay them and they'll be there. I have swag, I'm fashionista, I'm this. Oh, you're fashionista. Me tip it about me trying from way back about 15 years ago. Just one picture. Bet me come Osebo aja graja ne cheddar. Bedi akon. Omo picture so mo to mo wi ase na no mo so agoma ye nyina. I am telling you and I'm telling you. They also want to no. There's anybody to come and apart from them no. Obi or Jin who do feel so okay or swag. Oh, bet me compete with me no. The person to come for it, I'm ready. I am ever ready for everybody. Even Africa here. David Whiskey, those boys, and even not even the stars alone. Anybody outside there who believe yourself say, oh swag, you don't want to compete with Elijah no, don't Elijah no. Let's set the game on. Let's roll the dice and let's go. Near here. Monim swag, you can't swag, monim swag. The bet my yan, you will so much club, you may have changed. The bet with this swag no fashion, I know. Tibayo ya. But that knows I want to say that. So forget what
Ntebusia say and abrante ne nsem atoja na we no ye hwese Osebo ne Ajagwaja beba bonten aba beso ne so ana se hena ntokoi ebekwa akusime ye hu comment o video no ase afi too much gh and we ne guso hwese subscribe my page ne mi adoma so sa no upload bi aba o sabit me aka makra